Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Exams. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Today we are going to see answer key for exam conducted 1912, that is today morning, the general paper that was conducted. So let's quickly go through the answer key so that you get to know your cutoff and you should be able to understand the paper. Okay. For the first question, the answer is fourth. The answer is option number 4, that is insulin. Which human protein was produced successfully in recombinant bacteria for the first line? For the second question, in plant tissue culture, generally which plant is used for production of virus? The answer is 2. For the third question, which is the first woman cricketer to complete 7,000 ODI runs? The answer is 2, that is Mithali Raj. For the fourth question, Mirabai Channu secured India's first medal at Tokyo Olympic in which sports? The answer is 2. For the fifth question, who is the third Indian boxer to win a bronze medal at Olympics? The answer is 4. For the sixth question, the Environmental Management Policy Research Institute of Karnataka is Bangalore. The answer is 3. 25% of which species of population of India is seen in Karnataka? The answer is 4, that is elephant. Cooperative movement in Karnataka started in the year 1905. Ninth question, who was the chairman of the first finance commission constituted in Karnataka? Your answer is 2, that is Dr. G. Timaya. 10th question, which committee recommended convention of Mysore Provision Cooperative Bank into central bank? The answer was 1, Lalubhai Samaldas committee. 11th, which is India's second largest milk cooperative society? The answer is 2, that is KMF. 12th, which of the following is nodal agency implementing all state and central housing schemes in Karnataka? The answer is 2, that is Rajiv Gandhi Rural Housing Corporation. 13th, which of the following was the first cooperative society in Karnataka? The answer is 3. 14th, which of the following was recommended by the committee headed by Kondaji Basappa? The answer is 4, all of the above. 15th, which scheme provided for establishment of new cooperative society for the socio-economic betterment of physically challenged? The answer is none of the above. 16th question, let's do it quickly. What are the main components of fiscal policy? Answer is 1, that is tax, public expenditure, and public debt. 17th, which ministry recently launched an e-national level awareness program called Sambhav? The answer is 2. 17th question 2. 18th, as on October 6, 2022, the total membership of International Monetary Fund is 190 countries. That is 18th, answer is 3. 19th, the answer is 4. What is the scheme of Economic Survey 2020-21? That is saving lives and livelihood. 20th, the answer is 2. Despite the COVID-19 crisis, which sector has remained silver lining? The answer is 2, that is agriculture sector. 21, the answer is basically A. The answer is 3. That is, consider the following statement. The answer is 3, A and C. 22. Sudarshan Sen committee was in the news recently. It is related to 3, that is asset reconstruction company. That is answer is 3. 23, the answer is 2. As per Human Development Index 2020, out of 189 countries, India's ranking is 131. 24, the answer is 3. At present, the vice chairman of Niti Aayog is Arvind Subramaniam. 25, the answer is 3. According to World Happiness Report 2021, the least happy country is Afghanistan. 26, according to Union Budget 2021-22, the foreign direct investment is permitted in the insurance sector is 1, that is 74%. 27, Operation Green is related to, that is answer number 4, better remuneration to horticulture crops. 28, the answer is 4. Which of the following is not a component of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana 2.0? The answer is PM E-Vidya. 29, which state transport corporation has introduced Avatar scheme? The answer is 2, sir, Karnataka. 30th, which season does Karnataka state receive the highest amount of rainfall? The answer is 4, that is northwest monsoon season. 31, the answer is 3. Which of the following river basin covers the largest catchment area in square kilometer in Karnataka? The answer is Krishna River Basin. Which of the following type of soil covers the largest area in Karnataka? The answer is 2. 33, the answer is 2. In which part of the Karnataka are dry deciduous trees more predominant? The answer is south and southeast part. 34, the answer is 2. Which of the following districts has the maximum amount of traditional well irrigation in Karnataka? The answer is 2, that is Belgavi. 35. In which year was the Malnad Area Development Board established to reduce the regional imbalance? The answer is 2, that is 1991. Which of the following rivers? 36. Which of the following rivers flows to the western side of Karnataka state? The answer is 3, that is Kali, Beti, Sharavati. 37. In which region of Karnataka is intensive method of farming practice? 2, that is irrigated areas. 38, the answer is 3. The Suez Canal, one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world, belong to which country? Egypt. 39, answer is 3. Which bird has reached the brink of extinction by various ringtone waves of mobile phone? Unfortunately, that is 3, sparrow. The first airport powered by solar energy is Cochin, that is 2. 41, the answer is 2. What was the work created by Ganga's ruler Shivamara? The answer is 2. 42, in which country was the Kailashnath temple at Ellora built by Rashtrakuta ruler Krishna I? The answer is 2, that is 8th century. 43, the answer is 3. Who is declared Ibrahim Roza was the Taj Mahal of South India? The answer is 3, that is Cousins. 44, in which style is the Central College of Bangalore, the Central College building in Bangalore built? The answer is 2, that is Gothic. 45, Malvika Gamimitram of Kalidasa mentioned about this. The answer is 2. 46, Deva Chandraguptam is written by Vishwakadatta. 47, the answer is 1. 48, Al-Baruni, the Portuguese governor, built a fort at Bhatkal with the permission from Krishna Devaraya. That is answer is 2. 49 is 1, that is Satara. 50, the Delhi Sultan who advanced the divine right theory of kingdom was Balban. 51, the answer is 2. Kakori train conspiracy was originated by Pandit Ram Prasad Bismil. Moving on to the next set, 52. In a vacuum, a brick and a feather both fall at the same rate because the answer is 2. The ratio of their weights to their masses are equal. 53, the answer is 2. It is easy to carry the same amount of water in 2 buckets, one each hand, then the single bucket because of, that is 2. Net torque is 0. 54, the answer is gravitational force. That is answer number 3. 55, a projectile above the atmosphere traces an A or an, that is answer is 1, that is parabolic path. 56, barefoot 5-walker are not harmed when they walk on a burning charcoal because 56, none of the above. That is 4. 57, the answer is 4. The mixture of ethanol and water can be separated by fractional distillation. 58, the answer is 2. 59, the chemical component of thermocol is polystyrene. The answer is 4. Which of the 60, which of the following is not a primary pollutant? The answer is O3, that is 3. 61, which of the following is used to clean up oil spill? The answer is Pseudomonas putida, that is 2. The permanent executive means 62. The permanent executive means, the answer is 4, that is civil servant. 63, with Constituent Assembly has, the Constituent Assembly has provided for the law of adjudication of dispute related to public servant. The answer is 3, that is your 104 amendment. 64, when was the Karnataka Administrative Tribunal established? The answer is 3, that is 6th October 1986. 65, which of the communication is called public relation? The answer is 3, that is internal communication. 66, the scheme of integrated financial advisor was introduced in all the ministries of Government of India in the year 1996. The answer is 3. Then moving on to 67 question, the word bureaucracy was first used by Vinci de Gaulle. The answer is 2. 68, in which country was ombudsman first started? The answer is 2, that is Sweden. 69, Where is the administrative start college of Karnataka situated? The answer is 4, that is Hyderabad. 70. Which type of training prepare future recruited for the service? The answer is 4, that is pre-entry training. 71. Parliament exercise control over delegated legislate through this. The answer is 3, that is Committee of Parliament. 72. Dispute between states in India come to the Supreme Court under. The answer is 4, that is original jurisdiction. 73. The audit report of Comptroller and Auditor General of India relating to the accounts of union shall be submitted to the answer is 3, that is President. 74. Special status to the state of Karnataka in respect to Hyderabad Karnataka region has been conferred in the year 2012. 75. Residuary power means, that is answer is 3, the subjects not included in central, state and concurrent list. 76. Which article of the Constitution enable the establishment of National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe? The answer is Article 338. 77. Who among the following draws the salary from Consolidated Fund of India? The answer is 4, that is Comptroller and Auditor General. 78. Who recommends to the President the distribution between the central and the state government of the net proceeds of the taxes collected by the center? The answer is 2, that is Finance Commission. 79. Under which article does the governor appoint an Anglo-Indian to the Legislative Council? The question is, answer is 1, that is Article 331. 80. Which constituent amendment has reduced the age from 21 to 18? The answer is 61. Then going forward, 81. Article 113 of the Constitution deals with the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court from High Court in the regard to. The answer is 81. The answer is 1 only, that is A only. 82. Collective socio-economic objective of citizens of India are enshrined in 4th, that is preamble. Question number 83, the answer is 28 kg. Question number 84, the answer is 4, that is 2,700. Question number 85, the answer is 1, that is 100%. Question number 6, the answer is 2, that is 6%. Question number 7, the answer is 2, that is 10 kg. Question number 98, the answer is 1:3. Question number, 88, the answer is 1:3. Question number 89, the answer is 1, Rita. Question number 90, the answer is C. Question number 91, the answer is 1. Question number 92, the answer is 2. And question number 93, the answer is 3. Last part, 94. The answer is 3rd, that is 25th and 21st. 95, the answer is 120. 96, that is the answer is 29th August. The National Sports Day is celebrated on, that is 29th August. 97, Bhim Rao Ambedkar International Sports Stadium is situated in, the answer is 1, that is Faizabad. Which is the biotechnology company that is not in Karnataka? The answer is 3, that is Dr. Reddy Laboratories. 99, choose the mobile app released by Revenue Department of Karnataka. The answer is 4, Aptamitra, Mobile One, Bhumi, and something else. And last one is 100. The answer is in BT coin and BT brinjal. What is the meaning of BT? That is Bacillus thuringiensis. That is answer is 2. Okay. And we are releasing the Karnataka State Police Sub-Inspector previous year question paper test series on our mobile app. Please download our mobile app, TIC exam. You will find test series for Karnataka Police, FDSD exam. You will find test series for SSC exam and as well as other exams. Thank you. Goodbye. For any doubt, please get back to us. For any error, we are extremely sorry. All the best for your next exam. Take care.